Hello, in this video we demonstrate the difference between task when all and task wait all. Let's first see this in example on how they behave. To illustrate the difference between the two methods when all and wait all, we use the following small Windows program. This program simply has a button that launches two tasks. The task has different time to finish. The program also has a progress bar and a button to allow us to visualize if the white triad is blocked or not, product of the use of when all or wait all method. The more important part of the code is this one. As you can see, the code simply launches two tasks that simulate a long time task with different parameters. Then, in this first example task, when all is used to synchronize the end of the two tasks, and the specific thread of this method await until the two tasks are finished. To simulate the task, simply we use the following code that simply create a task with different milliseconds. That you can program it to use different milliseconds in time, as you can see here. Let's see what happens when we run the code. Let's click the Begin Task button. Observe that a message reporting that the two tasks are running appear in the window, and the progress bar is showing working. If you click Show Hide Image, the image is hidden or shown as you expected. After a moment, both tasks are reporting as finished, and the last part of the code is executing, showing the message, as you can see. Let's explain in detail what happened in the previous example. When we click the button, the event runs the associated handler method. The while is updated and the two tasks are launched. Then the await operator, in conjunction with task when all instruction, stop the execution of the method and return the control to the white thread. Is it for this that the interface continues to be responsive? When both tasks are complete, no matter that the two has different time to execute, the function of task when all is to control this, the rest of the method is executed, and the method returns the control to the invoker. Task when all has different overload to allow to enter the task as IEnumerable type or as array. Also allow to enter tasks that return values after the execution, as you can see in the table. More information in the Microsoft websites. Let's see now the usage of task await all. Let's change the instruction in the code as is shown. Observe that now we don't use the wait operator because it's not necessary. The task wait all does not return a task, simply does not return anything, return void. Also, you see, Visual Studio advises that the actual procedure does not need to be assigned. Then we eliminate the assign from the code. Let's compile this. Finish, then we can start. We can execute the code now. Click the Begin Task, and we do as we do in the other example. But now you can see that the UI is stalled and the progress bar is not executed. If we click the Show Hidden button, nothing happens. Only after the two tasks finishes, we go responsibly again our program. Now, yes. Let's analyze what happens. As we see, task await all behave completely different to task when all. After we click the button, the two tasks are launched in parallel. The thread stopped and wait until the both parallel task finishes. The wait is not only for the rest of the method and the thread that invoke this method. It is also stop the white thread of the program until the two methods finishes.
This made the UI irresponsive as we can see in the demo program. Other difference is that all exceptions generated in each task in the argument of task await all are raised and can be cached after the wait. This method also has different overload, allowing us to wait for an interval of time in different format and also send a cancellation token to finish the wait. More information about this in Microsoft website. Use the link that's appears in the video. Thanks for your attention. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe in our channel. More info at http://www.avalonsoftware.com. Thank you.